Can you explain mining of cryptocurrency? Kirtan, okay. Now that's a session in itself. Uh, explaining mining. For you, mining is just addition of blocks. Now, this blockchain, it keeps on increasing, right? As I've told you that every 10 minutes, a block is being added. Now, that addition of a block is the process of a miner. Miners, they validate those blocks, check if everything is right, and then add it into the blockchain. This is mining, and this is something that is rewarded by transaction fees and new coins. If it is proof of work, if it is proof of stake, there is no mining as such. You were saying that all the currencies are stored on the chain itself. Not all the currencies, Sharik, let me correct you here. Not all the currencies tokens are something that are based on chain. Maybe what you can think of is, like I've already told you, like Aave, Chainlink, right? Uniswap. Uh, these are all if these are all tokens based on Ethereum chain, right? Let me correct you. Not all. There are blockchains. Now, Bitcoin is a blockchain. Jupiter was a blockchain, right? Is a blockchain. In fact, Ethereum is a blockchain. There are a lot of blockchains, right? And there are then again tokens. Now you need to have a clear distinction about what are tokens and what are blockchains, right? Okay, then there is next two. And then how does all of this news of coins getting stolen come in news? Uh, Coins getting stolen. Okay. Now there are various ways hackers can get a hold of coins, right? And maybe your smart contract has a leakage, right? Then that is possible. But at the same time, contracts that are very much better tested are very much safe to use, right? There won't be any problem with that. Uniswap, Aave, such contracts, they are more than more than enough. They have a lot of value inside them, and nothing has happened. In recent days, this used to happen when it was just the start of Web3. Right now, there are a lot of processes in place. Everybody knows what kind of attack can happen, and everybody is prepared for that. So you don't have to worry about it. And there are a lot of other ways to. What I'll suggest you is just beware of scammers, right? Or beware of scam coins, right? Such sort of things. Just even if you're putting your money somewhere, put it into a project that you know is very respectful, right? Just do not put your money in a project where you think where you know that there is no person behind it, or there is nobody even responsible for that project. If there is somebody responsible, you can definitely think of at least putting your money into. Just such things you should be aware of. It's still a new community, but right now a lot of things are being catered to. So what is cryptocurrency, Nishant? I'll suggest go ahead, watch it again. Also, it seems managing black money could be very easy with blockchain. Sharik, uh, well, in India right now, KYCs are essential. I don't really know how exactly is it that you think that it could be possible, right? Uh, and Harsh Singh, data cannot be deleted from blockchain. It's just they transfer tokens over the blockchain. True. And different, okay, Saf, but in India, government is trying to regulate cryptos. So it's basically getting centralized. Now that's a good comment. That because government is trying to regulate crypto, it's basically getting centralized. But at the same time, that because yeah, if you are trading on exchanges, then the problem is that you'll have to do your KYCs, and then your trades could be noted, and the government can actually get it right. All of those problems are there, uh, but it should not really affect a blockchain developer as such, right? Right. The guys, the coins now, if Sharik, the coins get stored on the chain, how does the coins get transferred, right? Now these are a very what we do is we create an ERC20 contract. Now these contracts have an identifiable way on the chain. The chain knows that these are ERC20, and these ERC20 have specific behaviors because we have coded those behaviors in them. It's nothing but a contract, right? And inside that contract stored are the coins, right? How they are stored is just a value in that contract. That value keeps on changing and it keeps on distributing uh, to other members, right? This is how the coins they change. That's why whenever the coins are updated, the transaction happens. The transaction will cost you again, and if you are on Ethereum chain, it will cost you Ether. And this is how it's mostly, if you think about it, like it's just a system that you have implemented of your accounts. Like if in, even in your phone you can transfer your money, you can UPI to your friend, right? And what it does is it change the data in the database, right? And this is how it happens. This is what a transaction is. Similarly, this happens in a blockchain too, but it's just that there is no bank. It's you doing transaction to directly to your own to your friend using the chain, and that is actually not controlled by anybody. Okay, in a possible future where cryptos are mainstream, how does the government generate revenue if transactions can't be traced?